Hi, and let's learn how to do a treble crochet decrease. One way to do it is to simply skip a stitch. So skip the next stitch and treble, which is yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. So I have skipped and done a treble into the next stitch. However, look what it does. It leaves a gap. Let's learn a better method so we don't have a gap. So this is called treble crochet 2 together. We're going to start the regular way, yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. We're now going to go across to the next stitch, yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We've got 3 on the hook, and yarn over, pull through 3. And that has combined the 2 stitches. And if you lay it down, you can see there's no gap. It blends seamlessly. Let's do one more together. Yarn over twice, insert, yarn over and pull through. We have 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. We're down to 3, yarn over, pull through 2, down to 2. Now we go to the next one. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, and yarn over and pull through. And we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, pull through 2, down to 4, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3, and yarn over, pull through 3. And now we have combined 2 sets of treble stitches. Look how nice that looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.